les amis, bienvenue à You, Me and French. Hello friends, welcome to my channel You, Me and French, and you are learning French with me, Trupti. And I hope you are enjoying my videos, isn't it? So today I am presenting my video on les meubles, means on furniture. Les meubles, deuxième partie. So let's start. Today I have taken very minimum words so that you will understand and you will have less homework. So let's start, okay? Bookshelf, une étagère. Bookshelf, une étagère. Repeat after me. Don't forget to concentrate on pronunciation and spelling, okay? So, bookshelf, une étagère. Whenever you will see your bookshelf, you will find your books. So, just say une étagère, okay? Bookshelf, une étagère. Then, dresser, une commode. Dresser, une commode. Repeat after me. Dresser, une commode. Une commode. Next word is mirror. Mirror, a miroir. I think it's girl's favorite thing. So whenever you will see yourself in mirror, so just say a miroir. A miroir. I think you will learn this word so fast. It's very close to us. So, mirror, a miroir. A miroir. A miroir. Good. Then, drawer, a tiroir. I think it's rhyme. That's why I taken word near. Drawer, a tiroir. A tiroir. Whenever you will pull your drawer, so just say a tiroir. A tiroir. I know it's very funny combination, but I think by this is the way you learn with fun, isn't it? So drawer, a tiroir. A tiroir. A tiroir. Then a dressing table. A dressing table is une coiffeuse. Une coiffeuse. Don't confuse, it's confuse. Une coiffeuse. Dressing table, une coiffeuse. Une coiffeuse. Correct. I think you have enjoyed this video. I have done so many things, very funny things. So don't forget to practice, okay? Pronunciation and your reading and spelling. It's very important. So till next video, I will meet you so soon. Till then, don't forget to practice. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, share and hit the bell icon. Till then, au revoir, bye bye and take care of you and your family too. Bye bye.